The chapters of the students' books have many questions. They cover the full range of critical thinking skills and the learning objectives for scientific inquiry. They are placed at salient points in the margins of the text to help the students interact with the chapter content and to build up skills in answering questions with confidence. There is a workbook for each of the students' books. The contents of the workbook are set out in the same sequence as the contents of the students' book, so they can be easily correlated when both are being used together. The questions are set out in an exam-style format to help the students become familiar with how their knowledge will be tested in the exam. There are spaces left for the students to answer their questions, as they would do in an examination. There is also a space at the end of the chapter in which the teacher can add comments after the questions have been marked to further help the student in their preparations for the examination. The workbooks can be used as extra homework activities, or they can be used as an end of chapter test when the whole chapter has been completed. The revision guide covers every topic in the Cambridge Secondary 1 Checkpoint Science Framework. The topics are set out in 16 chapters divided into biology, chemistry and physics for easy cross-referencing to the student books and the workbooks. There is concise information in every topic to help the students focus on the knowledge they need for the examination. And the revision guide has been co-authored by Mike Cole, who is an experienced examiner and has provided the following features: tips for success, check your understanding, and spotlight on the test. Scientific literacy is a key to examination success, and in the students' books the scientific words which may be unfamiliar are emboldened. Each emboldened word is featured in a glossary at the back of the teacher's resource book. This can be photocopied and given to the students to help them develop their scientific vocabulary. Also at the back of each book are 2 practice tests, written by the science examiner Tim Greenway. They relate to the science content of the book. So for book 1, they relate to the content for stage 7, for book 2, the content of stage 8, and for book 3, the content of stage 9. These tests can be photocopied and used on completion of work with the workbooks and the revision guide. There is also marking guidance for each test which can be used to check the students' work, and also discussed with the students to let them see how their work will be assessed. This should help them answer clearly and precisely in the real examination.